Hi, I'm Rob Smith from Southwest Customised Clothing and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do you a really quick little video on how do you take a patch like that and make it like that. So I've had a customer supply me with some blank patches and they would like embroidered. So I'm going to show you how to embroider on a pre-made patch. Okay, so the first thing we've done is hooped up our hoop with some 100 micron water soluble stabilizer. Just got it in the hoop like that on its own, and what we'll do is we'll pop that in the machine and then I'll show you the first step. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do now is put on a guiding stitch straight onto our water soluble stabilizer. Right, now that's done, we're going to take our patch and we're going to line it up right on top of that. This is pretty hard to do with one hand, but what we're going to do now is put on a little stitch just to hold it in place. What that's going to do now is hold the patch in place, and then it will go straight into the stitching of the graphic now. And that's just about to finish embroidering, and in a moment we'll take that off and have a look. Well, that was just a quick video on how to embroider patches supplied by the customer. Hope that's been of some help. Basically what we done was we hooped up the water soluble stabilizer, 100 microns, done a guide stitch, then a tack stitch, then the embroidery. So very simple, just make sure it's digitized properly and you should have no problems. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you didn't, and we really appreciate the support. It helps grow the channel. Thank you.